You're being lied to about Bitcoin right now. There is so much information out there. There's so many different theories, but a lot of people are screaming that we're going to have this incredible bull run for the next several years, and we're going to do all of these things, but it's all a lie. The same people that are chanting this lie throughout social media are the same people that said we're going to go way, way, way lower, and we didn't. You're being lied to, and it stops today. We're going to look at the bona fide facts in the charts, and when we enter what we're entering, it's going to end a lot sooner than you think, and the facts are right here in this chart. I am about to show you, because if you look at this bullish trend reversal that started in 2015, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles into the top. Guess what we did in 2019? We had this bullish reversal here, and then we had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles until our top. Only 4 candles until our top. Guess what? We had this bullish reversal right here, and we're already on candle 1. We only have 3 left, and I'm about to break it down when that will happen and what that is going to look like, because you're being lied to, and it stops right now. Welcome in. If you're new, my name is Steve. On this channel, we don't take any paid ads. No paid sponsorships, no paid promotions of any coins, and down below, no paid affiliate links. What we do instead, cold hard facts in the charts that actually help you. Hit that subscribe button. You've been looking for a channel like this that doesn't take advantage of you with all this paid crap. No paid stuff here, just stuff that helps you. Hit that subscribe button, throw a thumbs up on this video, and let's get into it. This is an incredible chart that's right in front of you. Super clean, super clear, and I'm wanting to share this with you because it's ridiculously powerful. It's so simple. Every single cycle, Bitcoin does the exact same thing, and 4 candles into the top. But what we're looking at is 2015, right? So we're on the Bitcoin US dollar index. We're on the 6-month chart. Each candle represents 6 months of price action. Now there's a couple tricks I want to show you with this chart. Case in point, look at the wicks. When you're on the 6-month chart and you have long wicks above, we've got a price reversing, right? Picture like somebody pushing our head down. When you have these long wicks on top, it pushes price action down. Same thing at the bottom. When you see these long wicks at the bottom, it pushes us up. Boom, price action going to the upside. Anytime you see these wicks, pay attention. Look at these huge wicks here and here. Big pressure coming down. Want you to pay attention to this move that Bitcoin does every single cycle. 2015, we have this red candle here, not any red candle, and then we have a green candle here. Not any green candle. This is a bullish engulfing candle. The rules of a bullish engulfing candle are very simple. It has to be a green candle, and it has to be bigger than the previous red candle. All of those things are true. You have, again, the body of the candle has to be bigger than the body of this candle. If it does, that is a bullish reversal, meaning that we are in a downtrend, down, 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 and then we had this candle print, and then we're up, 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 up. That's how it works, right? The same exact pattern happened in 2019, where we were down, 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 down. Price was dreadful. We had this bullish engulfing candle, which again, it has to be green. The body has to be bigger than the prior red. If those things are true, it's a bullish engulfing candle. After this candle, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles to the top. After this move here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles into the top. Just 4, not 14. Not 24. A lot of people are saying, hey, this is going to last so long. This bull run's going to last so long. We're going to go up so high. It's going to be so amazing. No, it's going to end way sooner than you think. And it's not going to top at the price you think it will. Let's dig in deeper. So we had these 4 candles to the top here, 4 candles to the top here, also a bullish engulfing candle, and you can see for yourself what happened, right? When we got up here, we had these wicks. We don't want to see those kind of wicks that really started to push us down. Even in this wick, we still had wick to the upside here. We still had momentum to the downside. It was still a dreadful time in Bitcoin. But keep in mind, this candle is a 6-month candle. It has time to breathe and grow, right? And it did exactly that. It printed a bullish engulfing candle right on schedule, because each time we printed this bullish engulfing candle, this candle told us the downfall is over. This candle told us the bottom was already in. This candle did the same thing. It told us the bottom was already in and the dreadfulness was over. This candle did the same exact thing. It told us that the bottom was already in and that the dreadfulness was over. This candle is the same as this candle, is the same as this candle. Bitcoin does the same moves every single time. So if it continues, we should have 4 candles in the top. We're already in our first candle and we will only have 3 more. This is where things start to get a little crazy because you're like, what? Only 3 more candles into the top? And by the way, you need to share this video in some platforms where people like Bitcoin because they've got to wake up to what's happening. Every single market cycle, people start screaming these crazy things. It gets the hopium really, really high. Oh, Bitcoin to $1 million, Bitcoin to $500,000. It's really not likely. It's not likely at all. In fact, it's going to be way less. The price will be way less than you think, and it will be sooner than you think. A lot of people are like, well, you know, in 2026, that's when price will start going down. Well, let's look here for the absolute facts. If Bitcoin were to do this 1, 2, 3, 4 precise candles after we have this bullish engulfing, just like here, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles to the top right after our bullish engulfing, what does that bring us? Where does it bring us in time? Well, let's take a look because this is where things start heating up. Keep in mind, we're in this candle right now. We haven't printed this candle yet. We still have a little more than a month to print this candle, but this is where things start to get heating up. We only have 3 others, right? So if we have 1 here, we're already in January 2024. We have our 3rd candle that's going to print here. Keep in mind, we only have 4. This is July 2024. So boom, our next couple candles, not only are they going to be really good, right? You can look at these candles. They're really good. They go up quite high. They're very large. They're generally green. These things will all be true for us as well. But we're already in July 2024 and we're at our 3rd candle. We only get 4. So when we fast forward, we're January 2025. And you may say, well, Steve, how is that even possible? You know, we have the halving, we have this, we have that. We have all these people chanting $1 million. We have all these people chanting $500,000. How is that even possible? It's possible because that's what we've done so far. That's what we've done in every cycle so far. This is not by mistake. This is by design. So we could have a situation where we had our first top. We have our first top in January 25 and maybe, another one in July. Maybe we have a double top. So 2025 could still be okay, but it's likely that we're going to see our market cycle top in January 25. Most people will say it's January 26 to have our market cycle top. It's not likely. The way that the charts are playing out, it will be at a price that's a lot lower. I'm on record for many months saying that it will be below 100K. According to our 5.3 theory, below 100K on the market cycle top and probably a top around January, according to the facts in this chart. Again, we're going to study it from many different charts to see if they line up, but make no mistake, this chart right here, the facts are screaming that that is when a likely top in Bitcoin is going to be. The good news for us, 2024 is going to be incredible. 2024 is going to be a time for you to make all of your money, but you've got to have a strategy and it has to be on point. I do want to make it very, very clear and confess something to you. For the last 6 weeks or 7 weeks, we've had no talk about my courses or the FFA, but I need to be fully transparent. We only have 4 sales per year on my courses, only 4 per year. And the biggest one of the year is coming right up on Black Friday. I do need to be fully transparent. For the past 18, 25 videos, there's been no talk about my courses, and we're about to have our largest sale of the year for Black Friday to help people. If you want to make 5 times more on this bull run, you sign up to my program. If you say, oh, well, the program is expensive, you get far more value than you pay for it. Far more. This is going to change your life forever. You're going to learn how to have a strategy for the rest of your life. You're going to make 5 times more in this bull run, which will more than pay for the classes many times over. So it's going to be a steal. And again, what we do every single sale, 4 sales per year, we always help people in need. If you're a single mom, a single dad, a vet, have a disability, if you're somebody in a tough financial situation, we help every one of you. No questions asked, right? This is what we do. We actually help people. If I was in it to get easy money, I would take paid sponsorships. I would take paid ads. I would take paid promotions. I would promote all sorts of coins to you, which would be a complete lie, complete BS, fraud coins. I would get you in a lot of trouble, a lot of debt. It would be a disaster. I've turned down millions of dollars. Find somebody else that has done that for the last 7 years. Find somebody. I can count on one hand how many people in crypto on planet Earth don't take paid ads, don't take paid sponsorships, don't take paid promotions. I can count them all on one hand, including me. It's not many. It's very few and far between. So Black Friday is coming, and this is when I'm going to help you change your life. This is what you need. We've got these candles coming up, these next 3, and you're going to need to know how to maximize your money. And that's where I come in. So I'll leave you on that note. I'll see you right back here in the next video.
I got stuck in trades because I didn't know what I was doing.
I was just investing my money and just throwing it into the abyss.
I was trading primarily with emotions.
After big losses, I had to start from scratch.
My courses are exactly what you need in your life right now. Figure out when to buy and when to sell. Earn 5 times more in this bull run. This is the largest ever discount in 6 years, but it's only for a limited time. And for the last year, we've been custom designing the world's best indicators for when to buy and when to sell Bitcoin. Whether you're a swing trader, a day trader, a long-term investor, these will blow everything you've seen out of the water. And they'll take about 10 minutes per day in a step-by-step fashion, pure, cold, hard value that changes lives.
I experienced my first big winning trades, over 100% gain.
They have learned to turn off my emotions and be patient.
And have confidence in the crypto market and where it's going.
They give you the approach to deal with everything.
Don't be scared. Take the leap. Do the courses. It'll change your life. It changed mine.
This thing is a game changer. Your transformation happens today. CryptoCrewUniversity.com.